Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lexi Janae, and today we're just gonna get right into this video. It is a wig install. As you can see, that's my braiding pattern. I'm just gonna take my Gots to Be freeze spray and lay those baby hairs down because I do not want them in my way while I'm trying to lay and slay. So I am skipping over a couple things, just mostly through all of the blow drying that I'm going to be doing. That's the unit I'm going to be using. It is a 12-inch loose wave lace front wig from my hair company. It has been cut into a bob and colored to like a chocolate brown. I always make sure to oil my client's scalp after I braid down before any style. It's important to put moisture onto that scalp, especially this client. This is my sister. She has really bad dandruff. So I always make sure to oil her hair and her scalp. And that's the oil I'm using. So I'm just going to take this brown stocking cap. Normally I would use a nude one, but I didn't have a nude one, so I just used a brown one. And in the end, it worked out well. So it's okay. So what I'm doing is cutting holes in the stocking cap so her ear can fit through. Not only is this comfortable for your client, so it's not pressing on her head, but it allows the stocking cap to lay extremely flat so that you're able to spray it down and kind of glue it in a flat motion, especially on the corners where it can be a little bit harder to lay it down. So what you see me doing is just laying the wig on her head. There is a comb in the back. I'm going to slide that underneath her stocking cap and also adjust the adjustable straps that are in the back. I'm just laying the wig to see where exactly I want it and how it fits, and to make sure that everything is going to lay correctly before I put my glue on. Okay, I'm going to be using my Ghost Bond Platinum today. That's what that's what the glue I'm going to be using to adhere the wig to her. So I'm just going to dot this all across her forehead, if I can get it to come out. But I'm going to dot it all across her forehead and smooth it. I would normally do this with a popsicle stick, but I didn't have one. And being as though this is my sister, I'm just, doing it. So I dot this across her head and then just make sure that it's smooth and in a thin layer. And then I skip over it, but I do this 3 or 4 times. So I am going to blow dry this glue until it is clear. And then that's when I'm going to start laying her wig down. So I've already blow dried it at this point. So I'm just going to start laying the wig down, using the end of my comb not to push the lace down, but to kind of help me lay it down, and then using the teeth of the comb to actually apply pressure. Then after I have done that, just finishing up laying the lace down, I'm going to take my mousse and start to finesse her baby hairs. Now, when I made this, or when I customized this unit, I didn't put a lot of baby hairs on the edges, just a little bit, just so I was able to do a couple swoops. And so that's pretty much what I kept it like. I didn't go too crazy with it. Now I'm just going to take a barber strip and lay it over her edges and allow it to dry. I dried it a little bit with the blow dryer, and then I think I went and sat her underneath the dryer for about 10 to 15 minutes on a cool air, just to let everything kind of dry and do what it was going to do, so everything could melt together. At this point too, I also defined her part, which side we wanted her part to be on, and I moussed that and then went through it again with the blow dryer to make sure that it was dried in that spot so that it couldn't it didn't move. Okay, after I finished blow drying her part and she was from under the dryer for a little while, I'm going to remove the strip very carefully so I don't lift up any of her hair. And this is how we are looking. I'm going to take some more mousse and kind of lay this side down behind her ear. I just like how it looked behind her ear. So much better than if it was just to be down. And just blow dry that a little bit more. And I also recorded this while I was on live, so that's why you see me looking, into the camera. And I was also answering questions and stuff like that. So at this point, we are finished. She loved it. I adjusted her wig just a little bit for her. And she is all done. And in a moment, you'll be able to see. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will catch you in the next one.